I've got a story for you guys today. I had a consultation with a client and it was what I call a speedy consultation. We had 2 weeks to work with before his leave to remain was going to expire. I reassured him, don't worry, we can do the online application form, submit it for you, and then do the document submission and the biometrics at a later date, biding us time to collate the evidence, put everything together, and get ready and make sure we put forward a good, strong application. It's not my favorite way to do things, but it does happen and we need to think on our feet. Towards the end of our consultation, he told me he was really grateful that he was using my services because now he could go on his trip to Europe, which he had paid for, booked reservations for, most of which were non-refundable. I asked him when he was thinking of going on this trip, to which he responded, well, in between submission of the application and coming back to do my evidence. No, no, no. Please remember, if you have an application for indefinite leave to remain or for further leave to remain, you are not permitted to leave the United Kingdom or the common travel area from the date of submission until the Home Office makes a decision on your application. What happens if you do leave? Well, the Home Office will deem your application to be withdrawn, and this comes with some severe consequences and risks. For example, my client, if he had left the UK after we had submitted that application and his visa expired in that time, he would not be permitted back into the UK. His visa would be expired, so he wouldn't have been granted entry back into the United Kingdom. Secondly, because the application is deemed to be withdrawn, you lose the Home Office application fees that you have paid. Those fees are non-refundable, and that's something that's really hard to grasp with. The Home Office will not refund you those visa application fees. Please, guys, remember, if you are applying for indefinite leave to remain or further leave to remain, you cannot leave the UK or the common travel area. If you have any questions, if you are concerned at all, if you are on the verge of applying for your visa and you are just unsure what to do, how the regulations work, how things are processed, please reach out to me. I would absolutely love to help you. I do this all the time. I don't expect my clients to know everything, and that's why I'm here.